When it comes to adding some magic to your gazebo, nothing does it better than fairy lights. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Today, we've reviewed 3 of the best fairy lights for gazebo use. First up, we have Lumery 100FT Smart Outdoor String Lights. These lights offer RGB AI color changing options and can be controlled through an app or voice commands with Alexa. With shatterproof bulbs and IP65 waterproof rating, they are perfect for permanent outdoor use. Next, we have Suta's 2-pack Solar String Lights Outdoor Waterproof. These water-drop colorful fairy lights come with 8 different modes and are perfect for adding a touch of color to your gazebo. As they are solar-powered, they're eco-friendly and can be used without any electrical connections. Finally, we have Lalapao 2-pack Solar String Lights. With 72 feet length and 200 LED lights, they offer a bright and starry effect. These lights are solar-powered and waterproof, making them perfect for outdoor use. They come with 8 different modes to suit your mood. All 3 of these lights are perfect for gazebo use, offering different features and effects. Whether you prefer color-changing lights, water-drop-shaped lights, or starry white lights, there is something for everyone. So, which one will you choose to make your gazebo magical? If you want a detailed review on these lights, be sure to see our complete blog on best fairy lights for gazebo, link in the description. Don't forget to like or subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.